Welcome! Here's how to add in-island transactions. Let's start by creating new verse file. Open Verse Explorer, then right-click and create new verse file. In left, select an island transaction, create empty. Then use our code from our Discord server to insert IT. Find the file, open it in the Visual Studio. Get it for free on our Discord server. Follow the steps to claim the reward. Here's the file you will find on our Discord server. Simply copy the verse code. Make sure that the blank file is inserted and insert the text. Okay, don't forget to compile the verse code. Once compiled, we can then move on. In here, you'll see that this verse code is built on following functions. For example, you'll see there how many item slots can be used for your shop. Also, these are prefixes. And here are the items. You're able to select your own price, the trigger that will trigger the item shop, or even the button. And then you can switch to maximum capacity of item being bought. And if you want simple, only one trigger for one item only, then you'll only show this trigger in the command center. Okay, let's compile IT and let's see how we place. So open Content Browser. Make sure that the blank file is imported. And now search for by device. By stop device here, insert IT. Good. Now let's see, we'll need to add triggers and a button. The button is optional, but make sure that the trigger is there. Okay, in Fortnite Content Browser, search for button and then for trigger button. Leave it empty. Okay, now connect IT with the verse class. And finally, let's add our item to purchase. Make sure that the item is on sale. Here, you'll see the name blank file that is already imported and the name. So here you will select the slot I've been just talking about in the verse. Make sure it's for sale. Then change the name, the description, and short description that will appear when you're buying the item. With our 3D models, we can sell to players our custom 3D models right in-game. Okay, and for the texture, let's see our custom image that is already imported in the files. I'll select my scar, adjust the price. And now for the next trigger. Duplicate your trigger. And connect our duplicated trigger to the output. Trigger. This will ensure that your item is for sale in one tap. Okay, then add item grunter. And with the item grunter, make sure that the weapon you want to give when bought to your player, ISR scar or your custom weapon, Just don't forget to add function. Reward player when triggering the trigger. Okay, and lastly, show only this trigger is only for single trigger when we want to buy only this and item, not our items from the shop. So when the shop top is open, you'll see multiple items to buy from these item slots. So when I add new item slot, call it like and favorite. Give IT a description just like our previous one. IT will appear in the tab. Now duplicate the same process. And for the XP, let's add apples for example. So when the player buys favorite and like, he will get apples. This item is not normally sold in Fortnite experiences. You won't be able to sell like and favorite, so make sure that you sell related item that matches the terms of Fortnite application. And also, by the way, don't add price at 0 V-Bucks because IT won't appear in your shop. In the item shop, you can start from 50 V-Bucks up to 1,500. BTW, the Matrix pack is for free. Get it on our Discord server. Thanks for watching.